Yeah, well, the plan today was actually to have a barbecue out here on the terrace for my wife, and I think those plans are a bit scuppered. See, it's raining again. Spasiba Russia. Hi guys, Bear here. I'm going to just give a very quick, brief news update on what's going on the channel. Better sort of bring you up to date on like developments and things from, it looks like it's going to rain actually. Today it's my wife's birthday, happy birthday. Okay, but besides all that, there's like quite a few things happening. I'm just going to sort of round off and sort of explain what's going on with the channel. First of all, of course, we were in Moscow last week. So that interfered with the sort of progress on the builds, and got something interesting happening this weekend. In my town here, there's going to be a Vystavka or Modelizmi, so there's going to be an exhibition of models here. I'm going to go tomorrow, make a video, show you guys how, you know, the Russian modelists basically here in my town. I think it's quite a big competition actually, even though I live in a very small town. But let's go inside and I'll show you what's happening. Okay. Oh, Chip's here as well. You got anything to say? Oh, by the way, this is the guy that you always see. If you're watching the Takom M3 Lee builds, all the barking in the background, him. Okay. That's his contribution. So let's quickly show you some other bits now. Okay. First thing to mention, of course, the Su-33. Yeah, I don't even know how many video parts are going to be. This is the most complex build I've undertaken. Not the most complex, but it's as an aircraft build, it's got the most parts and it's going to take quite a while to build. And I'm actually enjoying the process. I hope you guys like this format. It works well. I don't need to spend too much time basically talking about it. I can just show you everything. So that's all I've got to say with that. Also, of course, tonight there'll be a part up tonight, okay? Now, more importantly, the M3 Lee. Now, big thanks, of course, to supporters as well. You know who you are, guys. The guys that always comment on my channel. I really appreciate the feedback I get from you. And the video that I made on this was, yeah, about 1 year ago. And since that time, it hasn't moved on. If I can get this, okay, that's better. The box is open. So, yeah, 1 year. This is just a box queen, shelf queen. Nothing's moved on it. Painting, so it wasn't sort of fair to sort of end that video series, beginner build series, telling you how to build it, and then all of a sudden it just drops dead. I just want to explain that, you know, it was filmed a year ago, and I can't paint at the moment, but I'm going to tell you my thoughts on it. I want your opinions on my ideas. Basically, I'll show you here, here's two Shermans, and the one on the right is basically, I would sort of say, like, the usual way I paint armor. Okay, and then the right, I went for a more highly contrasted look. Okay, now in terms of painting this, I'm thinking about trying something different, but nothing like retarded, like painting it pink or orange or anything stupid like that. But I'm thinking about actually moving away from that style, going to that style and pushing it. I mean, actual color modulation style. A lot of people don't actually understand what it is, but I'm thinking about doing full contrast on that for fun, basically. On top of that, I managed to pick up some stencils from Moscow, so I've got them to use with that. But I just don't know when that build's going to happen. I've got some, this was a gift from Pablo. Thank you, Pablo. He got me some of these T-Rex, the 3D printed headlight guards. These are obviously for a Sherman, they're not for the M3 Lee. I might just bring you a quick review on that. I've also got the ones for the T72. To show you, but again, I'm thinking like, wouldn't it be better to show them going onto a model than just show you what's in the box? Again, just tell me your thoughts. If you want to see what these 3D print things look like, just drop it in the comments and I'll make a very quick review on them. Okay, on top of that, Moscow, what did I get? Right, I got a Stug 3 from Dragon because I've always wanted one. The last Stug 3 I built was the Tamiya, the assault gun version, the early version. And I got this version. This is one of the Cyber Hobby versions. Paid quite a lot for that. Yeah, over 5,000 rubles. Because I wanted that Sawakov mantlet, and also it came with the Magic tracks, not the terrible DS tracks. But I've got that, and that's just going to sort of remain in the stash. Well, thanks a lot, Chip, for again ruining yet another video. He's barking at the sky on the terrace. Wonderful. Right, okay, anyways. Got the BMD 4M. This is the third release of BMD, Bronzia Macchina Desantni. Airborne vehicle, yeah? Basically armoured car, parachutable. And I really like these vehicles. So I got the 4M, brand new release. Quite a nice, easy kit. I really wish I could plow on with it. I can't. I've got too much to do with the Sukhoi. Again, guys, tell me if you want a quick review on that. I think I probably will do. I think it's worth mentioning. And now I'll just go on to one more thing, a bit more important. Okay, last bit of news. More importantly, I was meant to bring you a review on Abrams Squad. These three, okay, I'm going to get that up next week, go through these. And on top of that, I've been speaking to Perret, and we're going to do a discount code. So watch that video next week, and you will get a special discount code for Abrams Squad. Just need to work out the details with Perret, what we're going to do, but I'll post that next week. So I want to get that video up for you. Okay, so that's everything from me just for this month, and enjoy the video tonight, and see you soon.